Today, we're diving into the Visionis FPC-5628 one-door access control kit, designed for outswinging doors. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to secure your entryway with ease. At its core is the VS ML600 LED, a robust 600 pounds maglock that ensures reliable locking strength. Coupled with the VS 3004 IP68 rated metal keypad and reader, which supports EM cards and up to 1,000 users. This system offers flexibility and security in one package. The VS 3004 keypad stands out with its vandal-resistant design and the ability to operate in diverse weather conditions, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its integrated doorbell feature provides added convenience, notifying those inside when someone approaches. Installation is straightforward with the VS Mini CNTRL one-door controller, which supports up to 1,000 users without requiring additional software. Powering the system are three VSCP 100 power supplies, ensuring reliable operation of all components. The VS 7005 touch-to-exit button simplifies egress for authorized personnel, complementing the system's functionality. Wireless access is facilitated by the VS 8004 receiver and VS 8005 remotes, offering up to 160 feet of range for convenient secondary entry options. Additionally, the inclusion of VS ApproxCard 26 proximity cards and key fobs ensures multiple secure access methods for users. Overall, the Visionis FPC-5628 access control kit impresses with its comprehensive features, robust build quality, and user-friendly design. Whether for residential or commercial applications, this kit provides a reliable solution to enhance access control and security management effortlessly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.